my mom's car. I don't have a driver's license and I don't drive, so. And I kind of know how to drive. But look, if I make this a YouTube video, this is my intro. I have to drive my mom's car back home. And I'm like, I'm down the street. It's not like extreme. It's far, but it's not like bad. But I gotta go across the main road and whatnot and drive to my neighborhood. So I gotta drive back home. So this is a ride along with me. I don't know if you see me panic, you gonna see me panic probably. Alright guys, editing year featuring me. I'm editing the video and I realized my intro was very messy, which I already knew it was gonna be anyways, but basic backstory is all I was trying to say. I drive, but I don't drive. I don't have a driver's license. I know how to drive a little bit. I can get you to and from places with a couple scares. I can get you to and from places with a couple scares, but you'll get there in one piece. It's basically how I drive. But this time nobody else was in the car. It was literally just me. So, and I wasn't in an unfamiliar part of my area. I knew where I was at for the most part. I knew where I was at basically. I knew how to get back home by myself. My cousin was supposed to trail me because she didn't know the quickest way to our house without taking the long way, I guess. But you'll see, I'll talk about it a little bit in the video. I don't know if these people want me to reverse. Ooh. I'm probably all up on these people's grass. Whips. Car old as hell. Let me stop playing, but hey. Breathe, motherfucker, breathe. This is really not that bad, honestly. Like, I don't know why I'm tripping so much. But this is the first time me being in the car by myself. Like, there's nobody else with me. Normally my mom's with me. But my mom had to watch my little cousin while she was in the home. While he was in the home. What way am I going? That way. Ooh, I probably should have slowed down a little bit on that one, but hey, yes, yikes. Alright, so I'm going through the neighborhood right now. I don't even think she's following me no more. I don't think she is. My cousin was supposed to be trailing me, But I don't think she followed me because I think I seen her car go straight. So we'll just see who get home first. I ain't finna race or nothing, but hey. Push it. She not my fault. I'm joking. Let me chill out just a little bit. Alright. I'm almost home. I'm in the neighborhood now. Well, I've been in the neighborhood for a while now. But I'm almost home. Ooh, Amazon! Squirrel booth! Squirrel, let's move out the way for y'all get smacked. I ain't trying to do it. Wow, she beat me home. I can see her car already, but that doesn't surprise me because I took the neighborhood, so. Oh wait, is that her car? I don't think that is actually. But she might make it home before me anyways. No, that's not her car. But I might see her. It's actually not that bad. It's not. I was really nervous. Like my mouth had got dry. Like on the way, I already have a headache, and my headache like intensified once I was told I was gonna drive by myself. And I'm pretty sure that was my anxiety kicking in. And then I got nervous while we were driving there, and I was like, but hey. Motherfuckers like to speed on this street, so motherfuckers like to speed on the street. So we're gonna slow down a little bit. We ain't gonna take the chance to get hurt. Crib, bro. Hey, look at me. I made it home in one piece. Am I on the grass? Hey, I'm on the grass. Look at that. I had to sit on the Bible. I'm too short, so, you know. I had to shit and stuff and put my mom's car back out. You don't miss her. Alright, well, this is gonna be a mini ass video. I'm at the house now, and me and my cousin got here at the same time. So yeah, and this is only what 5 minute, 10 minute, 5, 8, 7, 6 minute ride. It really wasn't that bad. My head hurts though. Alrighty, well if this gets posted, you know, like and subscribe. Or maybe I'll do more like drive lessons with me if, you know, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do more drive lessons with me.